Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to verify BloxLink on PC. First of all, open your web browser. Here, search for BloxLink. Tap on the first link, so provide your username. Then, tap on Get Verified Now. From the page that opens, click on Authorize. Now, provide username. Again, click on the button Get Verified Now. First step is account information, which includes signing in with a Roblox account first. Select Next. Then, click on Continue. Now, tap on Confirm and give access. It will take some time to process. You can see the first two steps are complete. Now, you need to click on Select All. Tap on the Confirm button. Now, your verification has finished. In the end, click on Return to Dashboard. So you have verified BloxLink on PC. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.